Hello, my name is Joseph. I'm going to show you the Why is the Sky Blue experiment from Lesson 15 of the Energy Science Unit from The Good and the Beautiful. For this experiment, we need a clear rectangular container full of water, a flashlight, and some milk. I'm going to start by shining a flashlight through the container from the short side. With just plain water, we can't really see the beam of light in our water. So now we're going to add just a little bit of milk to our water and stir. I'm going to shine the light through the container again. Let's get down at eye level, looking at the long side of the container. What do you see now? Can you see the beam of light from our flashlight now? What color does it look like? Can you see how some of the water now appears blue? When the sun's rays shine on the earth, they collide with gases and other particles in the atmosphere and are scattered in different directions, depending on their wavelength. Because blue has a very short wavelength, it scatters about 10 times more than red, orange, or yellow. The color right around the center of the beam in our water, like the sun, stays more yellow because the yellow waves don't scatter as much. Since most of what we see in the sky is farther away from the sun's rays, the sky appears blue. What makes the sky look orange or pink when the sun is rising or setting? Let's try looking at our light beam through the short side of the container at eye level. We're farther away from the beam now, and when light rays shine over a long distance, we see more red and yellow. When the sun is rising or setting, it is farther away from us than when it is overhead, and the light waves encounter more opportunities to scatter. By the time the light reaches us, most of the other wave colors have been scattered away, and we are left with a high concentration of red and yellow for our eyes to see.